Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again what's going on the euro currency. So you can see the upward pullback that we have discussed as in the weekly report, as in the recent few sessions. It now stands on the way. In general, it has few features that tells us that probably this pullback is not real upward reversal, and our suggestion that probably it will be just a pullback, retracement. It is correct, as you could see on the intraday charts. We do not see really strong acceleration. At the same time, the targets that we have set recently, one of them mostly has been reached. Next one probably will be reached because overall tendency stands rather healthy on the intraday charts. And what's also interesting, guys, is if you take a look at the cryptocurrencies today, you'll see very good wash and rinse on both major currencies, on the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. So the wash and rinse of the important lows, it's a very good signal, although we don't have clear patterns there yet, besides this wash and rinse. But the wash and rinse itself, it's just a fake downside breakout, and it could lead to upward action back to the previous resistance. This is a rather wide range where market stands right now. Those of you who are tracking the cryptocurrencies, you probably understand what I'm talking about. And on the background of this action, on the euro currency, it seems that also the upward action might be a bit higher. At the same time, the idea of taking the bearish position still stands on the table. We're just watching for major resistance area and how market will respond to this area. Because, well, this type of the performance and what we see currently mostly agrees with each other. It's very strong, this is relatively slow. And it means that it's mostly just a pullback. So that's why we are still watching for an area around 120, 120.25 area. And this could be the point where the theoretical market could trying to reestablish downward action. Meantime, on the hourly chart, you could see the levels of this particular the confidence area that we are watching for. This pullback. Currently, market is forming bullish reversal candle on the fall temporary chart. This is a good sign. It means that market really could proceed higher. So actually, market shows the response on the first targets 1957 and OP. So on the hourly chart, that was the retracement. The fact that retracement was also very small, just market retest this previous resistance area. Once it was been broken, now it's become the support. So it's 1915 area has been retested. Now market turning up. So in general, short-term context stands bullish. Overall upward action looks positive. So I do not see something really bad with this. And that's why I think that we could keep going and keep watching for the upward action. So if you have taken position recently based on our hand shoulders pattern, so discussed here, you probably could still keep it and watch for a more extended target. So here is actually what we talked about recently, where its position could be taken. Its OP mostly has been hit. Retracement reaction on the OP and resistance 1955 area. Here's again a reversal type of action, drop and creating the new top above this previous candle, and now market keep going. So you could tie the stops right below this area right now, because if market is aiming on the XLP, it should not return right back down and break the neckline to the downside this time. This will be irrational type of action, and it will definitely tell you that this construction has failed. Until market stands above these lows and keep going higher, we're aiming on the XOPs 120 even right now. So that's will be next target, and that will be the area where we'll start watching and keep an eye on whether it makes sense to take the position, short position around this area, because market will be right near the confidence area and agreement. So actually, it's nothing really drastic in our view today. We just keep going with our trading plan, nothing more. And euro currency also keeps this trading plan very accurately. So let's keep watching and start preparation to the 120 level.